Hi everybody and welcome back to another short tutorial video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to install and use some of the Hola Prime indicators. So we're going to start off with MetaTrader 5. Now once you have MetaTrader 5 opened, in order to install an indicator, it's actually very simple. You simply go to File at the top here, click on Open Data Folder, go to MQL5 Indicators, and you want to drag and drop the indicator you wish to install into this folder. So here are the Hola Prime indicators we wish to install. So we're going to install the Max Lot Analyzer. So I'm going to simply click, drag and drop into the MetaTrader folder. We can now go ahead and close that folder. And now you just want to right click and refresh on MetaTrader. So we're going to right click, click refresh, and now we're going to add the indicator we just installed onto the chart. So we're going to go to View, go to Navigator, and in the Navigator you can see Max Lot Analyzer is there under the indicators drop down. So we're going to drag and drop that onto the Euro US dollar chart, click OK. And at the top, you can see it now tells us what the maximum lot size we can trade on this account. Now, this is obviously based on the instrument you're trading. So this is the Euro US dollar, the size of the account, and of course, the leverage. So in this case scenario, the maximum lot I can use on Euro US dollar is 4.2 lots. So if I try to do 4.3 lots and I try and enter a trade, you can see nothing will happen because I am over the maximum lot size. But if I drop it to 4.2 and say I want to enter a buy position, I have now entered a buy position. And you can see that it's now updated because I'm using my full available margin. It's now updated. The maximum lot is at 0. So I can't enter any more positions because I've maxed out my margin. So I'm going to go ahead and close this trade at a loss, and you will see now that the maximum lot, because I've lost a little bit of money on that trade, has now dropped down to 4.17. So I can no longer trade 4.2 because my balance has dropped. Okay, now this indicator isn't designed for you to be able to trade your maximum lot size, but it gives you an idea of how far in terms of risk management, how much of your margin you're actually using, right? So if you're generally entering, let's say on half a lot, so 0.5, and your maximum lot is 4, you know that, okay, you're kind of, it's not too bad. You have a bit of maneuvering space. If I go ahead and install the indicator on pound US dollar, so again, we'll go to Navigator, and I'll drag and drop it onto the chart, click OK. You can see on pound US dollar, my maximum lot size is 3.6, and this obviously matters on on the percentage in points, so the pips of the different pairs. So every pair will have a bit of a different maximum lot size that you can use, okay, as available to your margin. But that's pretty much it. That is the maximum lot analyzer by Hola Prime. It's a completely free indicator. Go ahead, install it, download it, put it on your chart, put it on all the different instruments you trade, and you can find it very useful in knowing your limits. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you again very soon. Take care.
Hola Prime. Trade with transparency.